Here we are right now, no longer 17. Oh, have we been around? Got some years on us, and a new barrel less to see. Yeah. So we're here, that I still appear inside your dreamland. Weird that I still appear inside your sleep. And does he know about our time inside your REM cycle? And that I'm on the way when the night goes. Tell me what time to pick you up, 'cause I wanna see your face so bad. Tell me what time to pick you up, 'cause I wanna see your face so bad. Stay only one, baby, we play all the time. Gonna have a wild night, 1999. You say I'll rewind, baby, we play all the time. Push me to tomorrow, so there's no more time. I swear it's real life, know it on my mind. I memorize your ways now, from your brown eyes, from the waist down. I know what you like. Could we cram in some time once before the big sun rises? Oh, though this may not be real, it's the closest thing. Yeah. Though you face gray, I could just stay. But time to pick you up, 'cause I wanna see your face so bad. Tell me what time to pick you up, 'cause I wanna see your face so bad. Stay only one, baby, we play all the time. Gonna have a wild night, 1999. Baby, we play all the time. Let's bring to tomorrow, there's no more time. I love the way you make me feel. Love, yeah. Love the way you make me
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name is Gary, and for today's video I want to do a shopping kind of vlog. Hopefully today's video will be very fun and interesting. I have a lot of things to do today. I have to run some errands and I want to go to the mall. I want to go to Zara. That's why I thought I will take you along with me to do some shopping. And honestly, I cannot believe that I'm that excited to go to the mall. Here shops have been closed for, I don't know, 2 or maybe even 3 months. So a little retail therapy would be so nice today. I also have a lot of things to show you, some skincare. I have to go to the post office to take a parcel that I will unbox later on with you. And I will give you a hint, it's a handbag. It's a very beautiful handbag, so stay tuned. After the mall I will get that package. And as you just saw, I got her ready, I did a little bit of makeup, I got dressed, and I'm ready to go. And I just cannot wait to go shopping with you. But first of all, I want to show you something very interesting that just arrived yesterday. It's skincare, and I don't know about you, but I'm super into skincare. I use a lot of my time during quarantine to watch and educate myself on skincare ingredients, and I just turned 30, so I really want to take good care of my skin. So this package is super interesting and fun, and I want to give you a little bit more information. So here we have the box that I'm talking about. It's called Beauty Rituals, and it's all about skincare. And this is not sponsored at all in any kind. I just purchased this myself because I love skincare that much. And if you want to try some new skincare, this might be very interesting. The box is super pretty. I already opened it yesterday, and these are the products that I will be testing. And if I do like them and include them into my skincare routine, which most probably I will definitely do a dedicated skincare routine. So first we have this body exfoliating scrub. It's super pretty packaging. I really needed a good body scrub, so this will be super handy. I think this is a body this is a shower gel. Looks really nice. I love that everything is pink, and here are the super interesting products. I've heard a lot of good things about this brand, and this is Avant Glycolic Day Cream. I think this is a day moisturizer. I just cannot wait to test and try these products because my skin really needs some pampering. This is the another daytime serum. This is niacinamide serum, and I haven't used anything like this before, and I love that this is I think this is a Danish brand as far as I read about it, so I'm super happy to try a Danish brand. And last but not least, this is a face oil. Actually, at the moment I'm really into the Estee Lauder Night Repair serum, but I think this is something that you can use after it. And this is full of incredible oils for your face. This is all about this box. I'm such a big skincare enthusiast, and I cannot wait to share more about these products with you. But of course, first I have to use them for a while. So let's go shopping. First we have a shirt jacket. It's a very nice thick material, and I just love the print and the colors of this top. It's so soft and comfy, and I think this will be super pretty for spring. And even with the skinny back jeans, it looks so cool. Next I saw this super cute vest. It's in baby blue color, and I absolutely love this color. There are so many items in this color, so it will be pretty big for spring, I guess. And vest is so trendy, and I'm kind of really into this trend. This would be so cute with a pair of jeans or with a skirt. Next, with the same top, we have a pair of slim fit mom jeans, and these are so perfect, size 36. They're so nice. I think these are so flattering, and I love the all blue look. The material of these is so nice. I just recently got in my previous whole pair of mom jeans, but I think these are a lot better. And I still have time. I think I might return them and get these instead, because I think these are so much more flattering, and the color is really nice blue. Are you ready? Because I think I found the best pair of faux leather pants from Zara. These are so comfortable, and these fit like a dream. Unfortunately, the pockets are so nice. Unfortunately, I think I don't need another pair, but these fit so nice. I think they're so flattering. Even with this top, they look cute, and the material is absolutely incredible. These are in size 34, so they are a size smaller than the jeans, but they fit even better. So once again, the sizing is a little bit off, but these are perfect, absolutely perfect. I love the clean design in the front, and they're so comfortable. Another super cute item is this sweater dress in white. It's extremely soft. It's so nice and comfortable. It would be so pretty with a pair of boots or with chunky sneakers. And I love the zipper detail because you just don't get makeup on it. This one is so nice. So here we have a pair of straight fit jeans. These look bluish on camera, but the color is really nice grayish blue, and I like them, but honestly they are too flared at the bottom for me, just not my thing. But paired with this super nice cozy sweater, the sweater is absolutely gorgeous. I love the stripes, I love the baggy fit, so soft and comfortable, and I highly recommend the sweater. It's in size S and the jeans are 36, and 36 is again really good size, perfect. Next I wanted to show this blazer. It's so stunning. The shape is absolutely beautiful. It's so flattering. It has the shoulder padding and this checkers print is so chic. This is such a nice classy blazer and it really elevates any look even paired with jeans. It looks absolutely stylish and amazing. This is in size S and fits like a glove. You can see it really cinches you in the waist and gives you a really nice shape. It's a bit pricey, but the quality feels amazing. What do we think about a leather blazer? It's such a huge trend and I've seen it a lot on Instagram. It's a super popular piece and I think I kind of like it. I don't think I need this in my wardrobe, but it's cool. It's a really cool piece if you want to look trendy, and it has a lot of structure to it. It's so chic and fashionable. You can easily pair it with a pair of jeans, simple top and boots, and you will look so chic and put together. So I just got back from the mall. I hope you liked everything that I just showed you, and I have to say that I expected to find a lot more things on sale. There are so many nice things that are like 80% off on the website. Unfortunately, the store was so empty. Entire sections of the store were missing, but still I found quite a few interesting things to show you. And honestly, I really liked everything that I showed you. The one thing that I really like is the blazer, but it was quite expensive at the moment, and I think I would really like to get it on discount. And yeah, but Zara blazers are just my favorite. They're so beautifully made and the material is also really nice. So my favorite thing was the blazer. Please leave a comment what you liked and what do you think it's worth buying. But now after that I went to the post office to pick up my package, and as I told you, I want to unbox it together with you, because here we have a nice handbag. And this is from the brand Ideal of Sweden. They do the cutest phone cases. You can see this is my phone case at the moment, and I have so many of these. They're just so pretty and beautiful, and I love them. I honestly recommend them. I work with them on Instagram. This video is not sponsored by them, but I work with them for some Instagram posts, and here we have it. such a beautiful box, and I think this is the first time that they are expanding their range and they do handbags. I do have a discount code for you and I will put it here on the screen. I think it's by Euro 15, but depends. They have really good deals at the moment, so I will try to leave links below. Oh, yes. Oh my god, here it is at the back. It's a black pouch. It's a black pouch in this super trendy style at the moment. Let me just show you, because the chain is the best part of this bag. And here we have it, is the super pretty mini bag with a huge chain. This style is so trendy at the moment. You can see how big it is compared to my phone. I think this will fit so many stuff. I think I can fit here my camera, my phone, my sunglasses, my wallet. Just really love this design. And I really wanted to get a bag like this because this bag looks so cool for like everyday going out bag, but you can also wear it at night with something a little bit more fancy. And when restaurants and bars are open, this will be my go-to bag. It's quite spacious inside. It has this nice color and this chain is just super chic. Oh, I love these little baguette bags. They look so put together. I really wanted to get something like this for me because I don't really have it. Also, the material feels really nice, and it's such a beautiful bag. And I definitely can see myself wearing this a lot. Oh, it fits my phone perfectly. And yeah, I usually like smaller bags. I don't know about you, but I prefer wearing smaller bags, and this is just perfect for me, and it will fit my wardrobe pretty nicely. So I think this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this little shopping vlog. Let me know what videos you would like to see next, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Ciao!